Today, let me present you with up-to-date information on how to choose effective and safe dietary supplements for preventing health problems and restoring the body's resources. Biologically active supplements are in advancing worldwide. The preventive properties of modern dietary supplements make them a valuable complement of health promotion and disease prevention strategies. Their role is supporting the immune system, improving metabolic process, and compensation for nutrition deficiencies is well documented and widely basis practice. Modern dietary supplements production use advanced technologies for extracting purifying and concentrating active substance, including extraction, encapsulation for protection and gradual release of components, as well as fermentation, micromanipulation, and biosynthesis method of obtaining complex components. These technologies enable the creation of products with high bioavailability, stability, and target action. This is important for the effectiveness and safety of dietary supplement. The use of high pressure carbon dioxide to extract active substances from blend method. This allows pure extracts to be obtained without any solvent resulting. This ultrasonic and microwave extraction methods that accelerate the extraction process and increase its efficiency by exposing plant cell walls to ultrasounds or microwave radiation. Microencapsulation. A technology for encapsulation encapsulating active substance in a protective shell. This allows protection component from destruction. Example, vitamins from oxidating, marking and pleasure and tastes or odors, ensuring control release of active substance also protein. And by technology, include fermentation, using the microorganism, bacteria, and yeast to produce complex compounds such as probiotics, acids, and enzymes. Microorganism cultivation, growing microorganisms to obtain valuable substances such as stachyphyllin, or other antioxidants. By synthesis obtaining specific compounds using genetically modified organisms. Processing and stabilization technologies. This drying, sublimation drying, removal of moisture from the product of low temperature, which preserve its structure and nutritional properties. Often used to present loose broad products. Granulation and granulation. Conversion of the broad practice into larger granule, which includes theoretically presents taken and partialis dosing. Spray training. Obtaining solid from liquid raw material by spraying is into a stream of hot air. Else, the conduct could be dried quickly without preserving its properties. What should you pay attention to when choosing daily supplement? The production of daily supplement is a highly regulated area that requires strict compliance with multitude of rules and regulation. Proper documentation is an integral part of the daily supplements manufacturing process. It ensures compliance with a safety and quality standards, allowing consumption to be provided with a safe and effective product. Pricing and permits for the production of dairy supplements. A rising country from the enterprise meets the established requirement for the production of product intended for human consumption. Two, documents performing the safety and effectiveness of components. The safety of effectiveness of component use in the production of dairy supplements must be confirmed by laboratory test results, raw material certification, and expert opinion. Procedure for agreeing the formulation with regulatory authorities. The formulation of a new product is production technologies and test bed must be achieved by in all our visit body for complaints with Apple able, norm and standards. Certificate of conformity for equipment and production facilities. All devices and facilities used in the production of dietary supplements must have certificate of conformity by confirming reality and safety standard. Reality standards is sanitation rule in production. Quality standards and sanitation rules must be strictly observed and early stage of production, which is documented in special control law. Requirements for labeling dietary supplements. The labeling of dietary supplements must contain necessary information about safety data, knowing, compulsion, recommendation, point, contraindication, self-life, and manufacturers with details. The requirements and established by law to ensure that consumers are informed about the products they use. Conclusions. A balanced approach combining scientific research, clinical trials, and strict regulated frameworks is necessary to maximize the preventive benefits of daily supplements. In the context of modern preventive medicine, biologically active supplements shall be viewed not as substitution for a healthy lifestyle and treatment, but as additional tools that help maintain and restore human research. Thank you. Thanks for your attention.